Alright, welcome back on my legendary traders and entrepreneurs. If you guys are new to this channel, my name is G Moore. I'm a Forex trader and entrepreneur in this channel. This is what it's all about, is becoming a profitable trader from $0 all the way to 100K in profit. And I want to be transparent with you guys. I have my FX book link below so you guys can follow their journey trade by trade, day by day if you guys want, but I'll be updating you guys every week as well. So hit that subscribe button and hope it helps you guys become a profitable trader this year, this month, or whenever, okay? So let's get straight into my tips to helping you guys pass the FTMO challenge and how I passed it my very first try. So if you guys are doing the 100K challenge or the 50K aggressive, which is the same thing basically, if you guys see my last or my very, if you guys go back to my video where it says finally becoming a $50,000 FTMO trader, you can see that I passed my challenge after failing once, but then I got a free one back because if you just get break even, they give you another challenge. But let me break down you guys the objective real quick. If you guys see my other videos, you guys already understand this, but I want to just go over it real quick and show you guys how I did it, okay? So for the challenge, they have a challenge and then a verification. So for the challenge, you get 30 days, not trading days, okay, just 30 days to pass your challenge. So you get 20 trading days. If you trade Monday through Friday, you only get 20 days, right? So minimum days, you need to at least place one trade out of the 20 days, out of the 30 days, but the 20 days trading that's available to you. And your profit target is $10,000. For the minimum days, you just need to open one each day, but you don't need to close it the same day. So how I did my math is I had $10,000 profit, and out of the 20 days, I don't take trades every day. You can see some weeks I take 3, some weeks I take 6. So on average, I take about 4 trades. So I was assuming that in those 30 days that I'm gonna take 12 trades. So my profit target, or each trade that I profit, I need to at least hit 833. So if you guys see my video, my journey on it, I was making $800 per trade, and then whatever remainder, I'll just make it at the end. So I passed. The first time I went, I actually failed. I had one lost trade, and then the next time they gave me another challenge for free. Then I passed. But for example, for me, I do 12 trades. But for you, if you enter more trades throughout the day, you need to do 20 trades at 500, 50 trades at 200. And my strategy, when I go through the FTMO challenge, I cannot lose once, okay? But you guys can see in my last video how I calculate my stop loss. I also explained to you guys how I have a 93% win rate ratio. So if I lose once in one challenge, all I do is just try to get back to break even and then just wait for myself or wait for FTMO to give me another challenge for free. So for what I do is I have to win 12 trades in a row for me to pass the challenge, and then I will go to my verification, which it gives you 60 days, and then it doubles your days to get your profit target, and the target is only 5,000 half. So when I got to my verification after I passed the challenge, I just divide 5,000 into 10 trades, so that's more than enough days. But I don't want to do it by 40, then only each trade be so little. So I just went to 10 trades. So even though if I lose on the verification, I still have another $5,000, or I still have enough room to make up for it. Since we have 40 days trading days, I can recover it and still take profit and hit my goal. Okay, so that's why my verification, I'm just doing 10 trades, and then my challenge, I have to do 12 and be more aggressive with it. And once again, if I ever lose one trade on FTMO, I just go back to break even and just wait for my deadline to end, and make sure you hit your minimum days. So let's just say, for example, you hit your profit target in 8 trading days. What I do is for the next 2 days, you can just open a 0.01 loss size and close the trade the same day. And the next time, 0.01 again, and just close it so you can meet their criteria of 10 days. So at 3 p.m. Pacific time every day, so right when it turns, or like around 4 o'clock, it doesn't matter. Anytime after 3 p.m. Pacific time, just open another trade and close it if you already reached the profit target. Yeah, but if you don't need to, if it's perfect and you hit your profit target and your minimum days at the same time, not the same time, but you reach both criteria, you don't need to do that 0.01 strategy. Let's say you don't have a winning percentage as high as mine. What you can do is do $10,000 and divide it by your average win. Okay, so $10,000. Let's just make it easy and you make your average win. Let's say your average win. Let's say some trades you win 1,500, some trades you lose 500, some trades you win 2,000, some trades you win or you lose like 1,000. Okay, so let's just say to make it simple, since I don't have the math on me. Let's say on average, you got to find out on average what what you profit. So let's just say you take 100 trades and then your average profit, each trade is 833, right? So then obviously you're gonna need 12 trades. So it's just the inverse of it. Yeah, but make sure you practice. Don't just put your money in and hope, oh yeah, you're gonna get it. Okay, so FTMO has a trial run, so you can try that first, so you get the feel of it, and then after you pass that, if you want even more practice, you can open up your own demo account, 100K account, and try to stay within those criteria, within that deadline, and practice it first and before you do it. Okay, because there's no point of even risking $600, $1,000 into the challenge if you can't even do it on demo. The chance of you being able to do it with the challenge is even lower because now you have more emotions to it, okay? So if you guys have any questions, comment down below, and I'll be posting more videos for you guys, hoping you guys pass your FTMO, becoming a live trader. And yeah, thank you guys all for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.